let me take you with me on my evening walk of May the 24th, 2010 in Oviedo, northern Spain. I've just arrived in this city maybe half an hour ago, just checked into my hotel, and I'm taking my first walk through the city. You can see it's very warm, 24 degrees right now. And I'm just sort of walking around randomly downtown without much of an idea yet of what everything is, but I thought I would take the first evening and just give you a little feel for the ambience in this town. As you can see, all this area here is a pedestrian area with lots of restaurants and bars. You can see queso de cabra, queso cabrales, goat cheese, different types of tapas actually for $4.50. Tapas are the little appetizers that you get so often in Spain. Nice restaurant. Lamas Bar. Bar Sevilla. Lots of places to go and sit and eat. Turrones. Turrones are these sort of special sweets that are produced here in this area. Turrón y helados. Lovely details on all these gates here. People coming home from shopping, going out to eat. Very interesting. Ciudad de Oviedo, Morgana. I love this detail here. Looks like a witch. Tomorrow I'm planning a guided walking tour through the city, so I will get a much better idea of what this place is all about. But I thought I would take you through here tonight, just give you a little idea of the atmosphere in the city. Oh, the police guys are just passing me right now. Local police on their motor scooters. There you go. Here's a quieter street, but everything looks like it's in good shape, nicely maintained. See here all sorts of religious bookstore, and I think it's starting to drip a little bit right now. Might even be getting some rain right now. Yep, starting to come down. So I'll probably find myself a little spot to sit down and read my guidebook about Asturias. Some construction going on here. Something old was taken down. And let me see where I'm coming out here. T-shirts. Yeah, umbrellas are going up already. Here's a large square with, I think, what is the Cathedral of Oviedo. There we go. Interesting street art again. Of course, I didn't bring my umbrella. Very nice. Downtown Oviedo.